So one of the problems I see business owners or clients have at the moment is where they need access to finance. They don't really have the bank managers that you used to have a number of years ago. Bank managers, bank branches, there's far less of them than there used to be, which means you don't have that trusted person that you could ring in your local bank or one of your business bank accounts and just get some advice around finance, how it might work, what's the best way to go around it, what sort of time frames you might need. And even aside from that, many business owners typically fall into the trap of leaving things to the last minute. A recent statistic is that business owners typically leave trying to access finance until 14 days before they require it. And obviously with the requirement to get information, pull your financials together, have those conversations, let things go through the credit committee with the bank. On average, it takes 35 to 40 days to get credit or finance into your bank account. So one of the key things I want to highlight today is just about the credit score and your credit history. Many businesses don't really know much or think about their credit history or the credit score, when in fact it's one of the key things that is reviewed when finance is being accessed from a bank or from an alternative lender. And a credit rating is essentially the assessment of the credit worthiness of a borrower or the measurement of a person or a business entity's ability to repay a financial obligation. And it tends to be expressed in a credit score. And the higher your credit score, the more viable you are as a borrower. The lower your credit score, the less viable you are. So obviously what you're trying to do is make sure your credit score is as high as possible. So 100 tends to be typically your credit score limit. The closer you are to 100, the better it is. The further away from 100 you are, obviously the more likely you're going to incur higher interest rates or perhaps not get the lending or the finance that you require for your business.